Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys last minute DIY room decor for Christmas. So let's get started with today's video. For the first DIY I'm going to use these barbecue sticks. These are easily available at any craft store, but if you are not able to find these, I will put the link of all the products used in this video in the description box below. I'm going to take two sticks and then I'm going to cut them in half. I am making a smaller size Christmas tree. So after cutting the sticks in half, I have four smaller size sticks. So I'm going to place one stick and going to place it straight, and then using the two sticks I'm going to create a triangular shape. After that, using another stick I'm going to measure the bottom of the triangle, cut out the excess, and then using a strong glue I'm going to stick all the three pieces together. Let the glue dry, and then here I am using this macrame thread. Again, you can get this at any craft store. I am going to tie this thread at the bottom of the center line. Then I am going to wrap this thread from the right hand side to the left hand side, and I am also going to wrap this around the center stick. For doing it, I'm going to put the thread from one side and then I'm going to take it out from another side and then wrapping it onto the right hand side. It might sound confusing, but I will insert a picture of the steps so you can get an idea. Continue doing this till you reach the end and cut out the excess and stick the thread in place. After this, I am going to take a piece of macrame thread and going to double it up. Then insert it from the bottom stick like this. Create a loop and then insert the ends from the loop to create a knot. Continue doing this till the whole stick is covered. Cut out the uneven ends. And then using an ice cream stick, I'm going to stick it on the back side of the tree. And then I used a piece of clay to make the tree stand. After that, I'm going to use this glitter foam sheet and I'm going to cut out a star shape. After cutting, just stick the star on top of the tree, and that's how your own macrame Christmas tree is ready. Moving on to the second DIY, we are going to make a Merry Christmas wreath. For making it, I'm going to use this embroidery ring. Then using a piece of paper, I'm going to write Merry Christmas on it. Then I'm going to fix the paper in the ring like this. Then I'm going to tie the ring using a thread. You can also use the screw which comes with the ring. And then you simply have to decorate it using some fake flowers and leaves. So I'm going to use some fake leaves and going to stick it on the ring. also I stick some fake flowers, and then I also wrapped a very light around the ring, and this is how it has turned out. Moving on to the third DIY, which is the simplest DIY of this video, we are going to make this Christmas tree garland. For making it, I'm going to use a black colored paper, and then I have already cut out a Christmas tree template from a piece of cardboard, and then simply place it on the paper and trace the shape out. After tracing, cut out the shape, and you can make as many you want. I made 6 of them. Then using any pointed object, I am using a needle here. Make 2 holes on the Christmas tree like this. After that, using a needle and thread, you just have to stitch all of the Christmas tree together. Stitch all of the Christmas tree by keeping a little distance in between. Just follow the steps as shown in this video, and that's it. The Christmas tree garland is ready. And that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, then please don't forget to hit that like button, and also do press that bell icon to get notified about my upcoming videos.